Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to share Space Link on ClickUp. Maybe you want to facilitate collaboration by providing others with a direct access to one of your spaces. So today I'm going to show you how to share Space Link on ClickUp. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the ClickUp application and log in to your account. Once you are logged in, you will be taken to the home page. In this page, tap on the freelance icon at the top left corner of the screen. A panel will appear at the left side, and here, tap on Spaces. Now, choose the space that you want to share the link. For example, I want to share the link of the space. So simply tap on this icon at the right side to open the space. Once you have opened the space, tap on this three dots icon at the top right corner. A new window will appear, and here, you can see all the space details. Now, since you wanted to share the link of this space, simply tap on the Share Link option. A menu will pop up below, and here, you can now share the link of this space in different social media platforms such as WhatsApp, Messenger, Instagram, and many more. You can also just copy the space link by tapping on this Copy URL button, then you can paste it to any media platforms. After that, you now have successfully shared a space link on ClickUp. The recipient can now easily access the space and collaborate with you in the application. There you go. If you wanted to know how to share Space Link on ClickUp, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to share Space Link on ClickUp, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.